Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my ClickFunnels tutorial video. So today I'm going to be going over everything you need to know about ClickFunnels, going over, the page editor so you can learn how to navigate through the ClickFunnels page editor, going through the integrations, pretty much going over everything you need to know so you can have a fully set up sales funnel by the end of this video. So stay tuned, make sure to watch this video till the end because we're going to be going through every little detail about ClickFunnels in this ClickFunnels tutorial video. But yeah, let's begin today's ClickFunnels tutorial video. So let's go ahead and go over to ClickFunnels. There we go. So there's a couple of things I want to go over before we actually get into this ClickFunnels tutorial. There's 3 things that you need to keep in mind before you actually create a sales funnel inside of ClickFunnels. Number 1 is that you need to integrate your payment integrations inside of ClickFunnels so you can actually accept payments from your customers, all right? The second thing is that you need to integrate your email autoresponder to ClickFunnels as well, whether you're using your own autoresponder like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse, or if you're using Actionetics, which is ClickFunnels inbuilt email autoresponder. You just need to get that all set up as well. And the third thing is that you want to integrate your domains to ClickFunnels as well. ClickFunnels gives you a free domain, and I want to be guiding you through all these steps in the video, don't worry, but I just want to let you guys know in advance before we begin that you do need to get these 3 things organized. So now what I want to cover now is what ClickFunnels is all about, because I know a lot of you guys might not know what ClickFunnels is or what a sales funnel is. So I just want to go over here to my PowerPoint real quick and show you what that is all about. So ClickFunnels is pretty much an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses market, sell, and deliver their products online, right? So you're able to do all of this without having to hire or rely on a tech team where you spend thousands and thousands of dollars doing that, right? So that's what ClickFunnels is all about. You can obviously leverage the tools inside of ClickFunnels, including email marketing. So they have their own Actionetics tool, which is, their email marketing tool. You can use that, or you can just use your own autoresponder. They have their own complete affiliate management system, which is called Backpack. So if you pretty much want to hire and recruit an army of affiliates, then what you can do is just use that tool inside of ClickFunnels to get people promoting your product, which can be, the traffic portion of your product, right? So they can be delivering the traffic for you without you spending money on ads. And obviously the key tool inside of ClickFunnels is their sales funnel builder, where you can build landing pages, webinars, and fully functional sales funnels inside of ClickFunnels. You can obviously host membership sites and, sell your digital products using ClickFunnels. They cover the web hosting right here, and you can also do split testing to see which funnel variations are going to be working. And they have email integrations as well if you want to integrate with GetResponse, Aweber, or any of these other autoresponders out there on the market, all right? Now, if we go to the next slide, so what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is pretty much a series of steps designed to guide your visitors towards a buying decision, right? That's the whole purpose of having a website or a sales funnel. And again, a sales funnel is much more better than a website, and I'll explain why in a second. But it's pretty much the whole purpose of all of this is to monetize and guide your customers through a buying decision. So as you can see here, this is an example. I wanted you to see a visual diagram of what a typical sales funnel might look like. So as you can see right here, the first step, or the first page inside of the sales funnel, is to get people to opt into your landing page, right? So hey, subscribe to my email list and get this free gift, and they'll click on subscribe, they'll be subscribed to your email list, and which you can follow up with them, so you can keep on marketing to that person for the rest of their life, as long as they stay subscribed to you. And then obviously the second step right here, the one-time offer. After they subscribe to you, you can, immediately follow up with some sort of one-time offer. So you can, sell a $7 product or a $27 product, something that's going to be a no-brainer, right? And then after they obviously buy, they'll go to another page within inside the sales funnel, which you can do and build inside of ClickFunnels, the checkout. And then obviously the last page right here will be delivering your product to your customers after they purchase, right? And that's a sales funnel. So that's an example of what you can expect. You can create all different types of sales funnel. This is just an example. So let's go over here and let's go back to ClickFunnels. Okay, so before we create our first sales funnel and really get into the page editor and how you can use ClickFunnels and all that type of stuff, I want to help you get set up so you can start having fully functional sales funnels. So let's go over the payment integrations, the email integrations, and setting up your domain. So what you want to do is go to the top right hand column right here and just click on integrations. Let's move my screen. I don't know if you can even see that just for a second. So you just want to click over here, click on integrations, and then once you do that, you'll be taken to these pages right here. And I'm going to go and just move my screen back right here, put that here, and yeah. So if we go over here, we can choose and add a payment integration to your ClickFunnels account. So for an example, if you want to add your Stripe account to ClickFunnels, you can go ahead and do that. So you can actually collect payments or like immediately. Your payment processor is going to be Stripe, which is going to help you accept payments and make sure that your money actually goes to you instead of like going nowhere, right? And you can obviously accept PayPal payments. You can integrate with PayPal if you are selling your products through JVZoo or through Warrior Plus or ClickBank. You can integrate those right here as well. So you want to get that set up. It's pretty simple. You just click on it and they just give you basic instructions, and that's how you do it. So it's very simple. And the same thing goes with your email integrations. So for example, if you want to integrate Actionetics, which is ClickFunnels tool, you can obviously do that. You can integrate ActiveCampaign, which is an amazing tool. Same with Aweber, and you can add all your integrations right here as well. And even if you do like webinars and stuff, or host webinars, for example, you can host like EverWebinar, integrate with that as well. You can integrate Kajabi, all these different tools inside of ClickFunnels, same with Shopify. So you pretty much want to get that set up first. So that's going to be the first step. The 2 steps pretty much all in one. Just add all your integrations inside of ClickFunnels. Then what you want to do is go over here and click on domains. Same, spot the top right hand column. And then what you can do here is click on add a new domain. And this is where you can add your domain. So what you can do is, okay, time to add a domain. Already have domains already, so you can register a new domain, or you can add your own domain using ClickFunnels. So with every ClickFunnels account, they actually give you a free custom domain. So as you can see right here, it looks like you have already registered or already used your free domain, but with your ClickFunnels account, they actually give you a free domain, so you don't even have to pay for a domain inside of ClickFunnels to get a custom domain inside of your account, which is pretty cool, right? So once you get those 2 things set up, then what you want to do is go over here, click on funnels, and once you click on funnels, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose from a bunch of pre-done for you funnels. So these are funnels that are done for you, or you can create and build a funnel using the classic funnel builder inside of ClickFunnels. Now, either one of these are fine because ClickFunnels has a bunch of page templates which enable you to create your own custom sales funnels in like less than 2 minutes. It's very easy. And you can use the cookbook builder process. They both work amazingly well. We'll go through both in this video so you can see everything you need to know. So let's go over to the classic funnel builder first, just to show you what that's all about. So if we want to collect emails, we can collect emails. If you want to sell your product, you can choose this one. Same with webinars, or you can even create a custom funnel by clicking on this right here, or like a funnel from scratch, right? So let's just click on collect emails, and let's just put in the video test. And we can also tag our funnels. So let's just put in the test tag, all right? And let's click on build funnel. All right, so it's loading, here we go. So we can choose from a variety of different email opt-in templates. So depending on the pages and what your funnel is going to be all about, whether it's a landing page funnel or a sales funnel where you're selling products, or a webinar or a membership funnel or anything like that, you can choose from like a bunch of email opt-in pages, thank you pages right here. You can choose from a bunch of sales pages, as you can see on screen. Product launch pages, one-click upsells, so they look pretty nice, as you can see. Webinars, membership funnels. You get the picture. You can choose from a variety of different pages, and there's a bunch of templates done for you that you can just click, and it's going to be all done for you pretty much, right? So let's click on one of these templates. So I'm not sure which one I should choose. Let's click on this one right here. Yeah, this will do. Let's click on this one right here. And you'll do the same thing for your thank you page, in which you can, it's all pretty much integrated. So as you can see right here, these are going to be your series of pages. Like this is going to be your sales funnel. So this is going to be the journey that you take your customers through, right? So this is just a brief example where you can basically it's a small landing page funnel pretty much, where people can go to your page, they can subscribe, then they're taken to a thank you page where you can either take them to an affiliate offer in this case, or you can add a sales page where you upsell them on a product, right? Either way works fine. It depends on what you want to do personally. So let's just click on thank you, get that all set up. Let that load. All right, so a thank you page. Let's just click on this one right here. This looks pretty nice. Okay, there we go. Thank you page and opt-in page. So as you can see right here, we have that all set up. And yeah, so we can literally go over here to add page, and we can edit all the pages right now if we want. And if we go to settings right here, if we go over here to domain, we can actually add our custom domains inside of ClickFunnels. So if we go back to our original page right here, so send.clickfunnels.com. So as you can see, it has the subdomain inside of our URL. And if you want to have your own custom domain, so it's customized and tailored towards your brand, then you can go to settings right here, and you can add your domain right here. and that can be unique, you know. And you can, if we go down here as well, you can obviously, you know, manage your integrations and stuff. So if we go over here, we can share our funnels. So another cool feature instead of ClickFunnels, guys, is that you can actually share your URL, like a share funnel URL, with other ClickFunnels members. And pretty much when you copy and paste this and share this with another ClickFunnels user, this funnel that you created is going to be automatically imported to their account. So it's kind of like copy and pasting like websites or sale funnels in this case to other users and to your friends and to your marketing team, which is pretty cool, right? So I just wanted to show that feature as well. Now, if we go back to steps, we can do split test variations. So if you want to do split testing, like split test different like variations of your page. So maybe you want to change up the headline. Maybe you want to like split test a completely different landing page, and you can do this right here inside of split testing. So as you can see, we can duplicate this, or you can, you know, split test completely different pages with each other. So that's up to you. Now let's go over to add page, where we can actually add the ClickFunnels page itself inside of the ClickFunnels page editor. So here we are, guys, we are inside of the page editor, and we can customize all of this to our liking. So for an example, let's just start off with the text. We can customize this. We can change the text to, let's just say, secret. Let's make this all capitals. Okay. And we could go over here and we can click on settings, and we can change the bold color. I think that's bold. Pretty sure it is. Yep. And we can make that yellow. If we don't like that color, we can always go over here and click on the undo button. Okay, wait. There we go. Sweet. So this is pretty much the page editor. So again, we can mess around with the headline, we can mess around with the text. What I want to kind of show you in regards to the page editor is pretty much how it all works. So pretty much it comprises of 3 different parts, like the page editor itself. So there's columns, which is going to be, no, there's rows, sorry, which is going to be the green. So we can, like, you know, go ahead and add a new row. For example, let's just say we wanted to add like a row on top of this. You know, we can add rows, and then rows are going to be, you know, the main things that are inside of your page. So then the rows are going to be, you know, where you can add columns. So columns are going to be inside of the rows. So it's going to be the blue part, right? So you can add like, you know, columns, and you can add elements right here, which are going to be your headlines, your sub headlines, countdown timers as well. So we can just drag that right here as well. And we can choose from a bunch of like countdown timers as well. So let's just say we wanted to choose the red one. All right, there we go. Yeah, we can do a lot of stuff here. So I'm just going to go and click on undo, because I'm going to leave the template the way it is because it looks pretty nice anyway. And what we can do is change this. So let's just say you're promoting like a Facebook ebook, for example, or maybe you're promoting like a Google AdWords ebook, or maybe you're in the health industry and you're promoting some sort of book on health or something like that, and maybe like a weight loss offer, right? What you can do is change this headline. You can use the same template if you wish, or you can, you know, change it completely. So we can just use the same template and change, like, you know, some of the keywords to make it more relevant to our offer, right? And I just chose this like landing page as an example, but you can choose any of the other ones if you like them better. That might be more suited towards your niche, right? Okay, so let's just say discover the shocking truth of how to save 10 times more on your Facebook ad spend. Okay, 10 times more on your Facebook ad spend by using one cool trick. So pretty much, you know, you want your headline to like convey the promise that you're going to be giving them in regards to your free lead magnet. So let's just, if I was like promoting like some sort of like Facebook course, I would like, you know, if I had something to share that was going to bring value, then I would say something like that, because maybe there's some sort of like, I don't know, manipulation tactic that, or some sort of like black hat technique that might actually work when it comes to like Facebook ads that could really save you a lot of money with ad spend. So as long as your claims are true and stuff, then you can make claims, but just don't overpromise on claims you can't deliver, obviously. All right, so what you want to also do is make sure you go to settings right here, click on integrations, and when you click on integrations right here, you want to make sure that your autoresponder is integrated. So let's just say I'm going to be using, I don't know, Aweber, your Aweber account over here to your integrations if you haven't already. So if we go to integrations over here, you want to make sure that that's integrated with your ClickFunnels account already, and then if it is, you'll get the option to click on Aweber or GetResponse or whatever autoresponder you have inside of ClickFunnels, and then you can click on integrated existing form, which is going to be your email list, and then you can just select the list and integrate that with your ClickFunnels account. In this case, it's going to be integrated with the landing page, right? So it's pretty simple. There's not much to really show you in this landing page. So let's exit out of that and click on save. And what we can also do is click on preview to see what our page is going to look like towards our live audience. So this is exactly what our page is going to look like with our live audience. And if you want to get rid of this icon right here, which is going to be the ClickFunnels affiliate icon. So if someone clicks on this, you get compensated for that. If someone buys ClickFunnels through your page, you can, let's just go over here. We can go to general right here. And we can click on hide affiliate badge so no one sees that if you don't want anyone seeing that. So click on save again, and we can go over here. And there we go, it's gone. So that's nice. Now let's click on back. So again, we customize this, very basic. And if we go to thank you page, we can go ahead and do the same thing pretty much. So we can always do that. Now I'm kind of breezing through this just so you have like a high-end understanding of how it all works. Now I want to show you something pretty awesome as well. So if we go back to funnels, I want to show you the done for you funnel templates you can leverage right off the bat as well. So if we go over here to build a new funnel, we can click on cookbook builder process right here to leverage the done for you funnels inside of ClickFunnels. And as you can see here, we have like a lot of templates we can choose from. So we can choose from funnels. If you're like an author or speaker, you can choose the funnel right here by clicking on the arrow. So you can like, you know, weed out all the funnels that are going to be suited for you. If you're doing professional services, retail, e-commerce, B2B, network marketing, you can choose your industry and it'll give you funnels based on your industry, right? Same with like the type of funnels right here. If you want to generate leads, if you want to sell a product, if you want to create some sort of like event, then you can always like, you know, choose a funnel based on that as well. So let's just go ahead and click on generate leads, and we can choose funnels that are going to be based on generating leads. So again, we can choose from a survey funnel, a squeeze page funnel, a reverse squeeze page funnel. There's different like variations and different funnels we can choose from. So we can, let's just click on the survey funnel because surveys tend to be high converting when it comes to like collecting leads. Now maybe you don't want a survey funnel, maybe you want to build a sales funnel where you sell products at the same time, and it depends on what you're going to be selling. Obviously, like maybe you want to collect leads first and grow your email list and then sell products on your email. So we can just have like a sales funnel that just sells products. Like we're not collecting emails, we're just selling products right off the bat, right? So let's go ahead and choose, let's choose the, so many choices. It depends on what you want. So again, we have cancellation funnels, we have video sale letter funnels, we have invisible funnels, membership funnels, product launch funnels, auto webinar funnels, live demo funnels, sales letter funnels. Let's click on the sales letter funnels. And what you'll see here is that ClickFunnels offers you a bunch of templates and a video tutorial on how you can use this funnel for your business. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose the JSON funnel right here. Okay, there we go. So let's click on add, and obviously as you can see, these are the steps. So this is going to be the first page, discover what you need about setting up and running a profitable online business. So you're putting your own like ebook right here. You can, you know, add a call to action right here. People can put in their credit card information, etc., to buy the product you're promoting. So let's click on Get Funnel, and we'll go through this together, and we'll go through how we can also set this up and, you know, deliver our products at the end as well, because there's a few little settings that we need to configure even in the actual ClickFunnels settings as well. So let me go back to OBS and let me remove my face, just put it over here. And if we go here to products, we can actually deliver our products in the product section right here. So if we compare the order form right here, like when we're actually selling products to collecting emails, you can see that it only has like 3 options: overview, automation, and publishing, right? When it comes to this, when we're actually like, you know, collecting payment information so we can actually get paid, you're going to see the overview, automation, products, and publishing, right? So if you want to actually deliver your products, and you need to do this anyway, this is very important. So this is how you're going to be delivering your products to your customers once they actually buy. You'll go to products, okay, and you'll go to add product. And what you're going to want to do is make sure your Stripe account's integrated. So remember at the start of the video how I said it's important to integrate your email marketing, autoresponder to ClickFunnels, your domains, and your payment integrations. Make sure that's integrated. So right here, you just want to make sure this is integrated right here. Click on this, and depending on your product, whether it's going to be one time, a payment plan, or some sort of subscription, then you'll click on one of those. So let's click on one time for this example, and click on save and next to go to the next step. This is going to be your product details, so we can just leave this the way it is. You can put in your price, you can change the currency depending on who you're trying to sell to. I'll just recommend using USD even if you're not in, United States of America, because the USD currency is quite a lot. You can even do euros if you want. You can change the price display override right here, the product description of what your product's going to be all about, your order bump product. So let me show you something. Actually, I want to show you that in a second, but keep this in mind. I want to talk about the order bump in just a moment. You're going to love this. This is where you'll see your product quantity limit right here. So let's go ahead and click on save and next, go to the next step. And this is going to be your fulfillment email. So once your customers buy, they're going to receive an email, where we basically say thank you for buying the product of ours, all right? And if you're selling a digital product, this is where you're going to be sending your membership area access or your digital product access via this email. So we can actually go over, we can create a membership funnels inside of ClickFunnels as well, and we can just send them over to get access to that as well if that's what they're buying. So if I'm having a Facebook ads course, I could create a course and create content and videos inside of ClickFunnels, upload that to the membership area, create a sales funnel for that. So yeah, this is going to be your fulfillment email right here. Now if we go to follow-up actions, you want to make sure that you choose an existing integration. So you can choose Aweber or GetResponse or whatever. Click on save and next. And as you can see above, all these are optional, especially shipping. If you're obviously selling digital products, you can ignore this, but if you're doing e-commerce or anything else, then you can go ahead and do that. So I was going to skip that. And the affiliates section right here. All right, so this is pretty much where you recruit a bunch of affiliates to promote your products. So instead of spending money on ads, you can just use Backpack. Now the only bad part about this, well, there's no bad part really. ClickFunnels costs $97 a month. But the Edison Suite costs $297 a month, and with the Edison Suite you get ClickFunnels Actionetics and ClickFunnels Backpack, and these two tools come with the Edison Suite for $297 a month. And this is ClickFunnels email marketing tool, and this is going to be the affiliate management system. So you are paying a bit more, but ClickFunnels is intended to be an all-in-one tool. Well, it is actually. So you can always upgrade for those plans, or if you want to click the link down below and get a free trial for ClickFunnels, you can choose to get a trial of the $297 a month plan to use ClickFunnels to its full functionality, or you can just use a $97 a month plan. It doesn't really matter which one, but yeah, that's pretty much what you get with the affiliate option right here. I don't have the $297 a month plan, to be honest. You didn't even need to get it. I reckon the $97 a month plan is sufficient, but that's up to you. So let's click on summary right here, and we'll see a summary of what we've done so far. So here we go. Our product type's a one-time offer product. It's integrated with Stripe, so we're going to be receiving Stripe payments. You can do the same with PayPal if you want. I don't have an integrated PayPal to my account, but if you integrated PayPal to your ClickFunnels account, like I kind of discussed at the start, then you can do that as well. This is going to be your product name, your product pricing, the currency, which is euros, follow-up email, the email subject. So this is going to be a fulfillment email, again, delivering the products, follow-up action, the integration. So yeah, let's go back to settings. And if we go to settings, we can go back to our funnel. So let's click on steps. And there we go. Now we can have a look at our funnels and see what they're like inside of ClickFunnels, because I want to kind of show you, some of the funnels themselves and how it's going to look and how you can manipulate that as well, because there are a lot of other different features inside of the order forms in which you can manipulate. So you want to change your name obviously to your name, if I can spell your name. So this is where people are going to be clicking here to add to cart. You can change this, you can change the themes. We can make this orange, red, whatever color it is. So there's a lot of things we can do. What you want to do is actually create your own ebook. So you can actually go to canva.com. That's a free alternative to Photoshop to create an ebook. I believe they have a bunch of templates, so you can go ahead and do that. You can add your logo right here. If we go to JSON theme, we can add a logo, and we can just put in a logo right here. All right, there we go. And I already created an ebook with inside of Canva a long time ago. You can just choose this right here. And as you can see, it's kind of customized to my brand. I just, added an ebook cover I created a long time ago. There we go. We click on save. Always make sure to save when you're changing the pages up, and we'll go back and go up and have a look at the other pages. All right. So let's go over to our OTO page where we're going to be selling a one-time offer. So let's go over here, and we can go ahead and edit page, and we can change this up as well. So I love the way these pages are structured. It just looks so clean. So this is where you're gonna have your one-time offer. So people are gonna be like, oh, okay, wait, my purchase is not over yet. So there's still another step to my purchase. This is gonna be a one-time offer. You'll never see this page again. You can change, I wouldn't change this personally. This is pretty much proven to convert very well. How about adding some more of whatever you're selling? So you can change this headline to make it relevant to your offer. This is where you're going to be adding your video sales letter. So let's click on the video, click on settings, and you have a custom embed if you want, and you can just copy the code here. You can put your URL to your YouTube video, and that will play as the video sales letter. Same with Vimeo and Wistia. So you can do that right there. You can change this color if you want. So I want to change the color because it's a blue theme. You can always change the color by clicking on the button right here. Click on settings, and we can change the color to red if you want, for example. That looks nice, but let's just click on undo because I like the way it is for the blue theme. And we can always change these images right here. So you want to add testimonials, and you want to add real testimonials, of course, don't fake it. So I would change these up and add your real testimonials right here and what they have to say and stuff. So you can do that here. And yeah, you can obviously change this section right here. You can add your privacy policies and all type of stuff down below this page. And yeah, so let's click on save, and we'll go back to the main steps page, and we can do the same with the downsell page. So again, these are already done for your templates, so there's not much you really have to do. You just got to change the headlines and add your own testimonials and add your own videos, obviously. So these are done for your funnels. You just got to just customize it pretty much. All right, so this is going to be the downsell page. So if people don't buy this, they'll be taken to the downsell page, which is going to be some sort of like cheaper alternative. Then if we go to the offer wall right here, this is where your offer is complete. So this is the end of your sales funnel. So people have ordered a bunch of products, and this is where they're going to finish off, right? And again, we can always change the URL here by going to settings and going to domain. And yeah, so if we go over here, again, we can change this. And yeah, guys, I mean, we went over pretty much everything you need to know about the Clickfunnels tutorial. We kind of went over how you can integrate all, your payment integrations, your email autoresponder, and your domains with the Clickfunnels. We went over the email landing page templates. We went over a complete sales funnel where you sell products as well, and how you can actually add your products to a sales funnel so they actually get delivered automatically to your customers. You can do the same with your shipping, so your customers will get, more information regarding the shipping if you're selling e-commerce products. And if you're selling digital products, you send them a email where they get access to your membership area where they can obviously access your product, right? So yeah, I mean, I hope you found a lot of value in today's video. If we went over quite a lot, so domains, the landing page. By the way, if you do decide to get ClickFunnels through the link down below, get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels by clicking the top link in the video description. And you can test the software to see what it's like firsthand. And if you do decide to get a free trial for that link, I will actually give you a bunch of bonuses for free to complement your free trial with ClickFunnels. And I am an affiliate. I do get compensated after the 14-day free trial if you decide to click through the link and get ClickFunnels in the long term. But in exchange for that, you will be getting a bunch of bonuses, and there'll be a full list in the video description if you want to check that out. But pretty much some of the bonuses are going to be a free ClickFunnels course. Now, obviously, we went through a tutorial going over pretty much a high-level overview of what ClickFunnels is all about. But there's a lot of like technical little things we couldn't cover in today's video. So there's like a free full-on course. In fact, I'll show you right now. First lesson is going to be an intro to ClickFunnels, how you can get started inside of ClickFunnels. So I mean, you can see all of the lessons right here. But yeah, so with that being said, thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll always reply back. I always look at the comments on a pretty regular basis, and I get a notification from YouTube when you do comment, so I will see that and I'll reply back as soon as possible and help answer any questions or queries you may have in that manner. And yeah, like the video as well if you did find value in it, so this video can be seen by more people who are looking to learn more about ClickFunnels. And subscribe for more content, as we're going to be making a lot more videos regarding internet marketing, online marketing, all that type of stuff as well. And with that being said, thanks for watching today's video, and yeah, peace out.